Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, it is day 4 of Vlogmas. Yes, day 4. And today, oh my god, let's just say these Black Friday parcels are slowly coming in, and I've got another exciting mystery bag that I got my hands on last week, and we're going to share it with you today. So if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Go and get that copper, and let's get our jingle on. I managed to get myself a Bperfect cosmetics mystery bag. They cost £25 and they were on sale last Thursday at midnight, and I went on, I waited up, and I managed to get my hands on one. And I also managed to get one for Amber, who, yeah, I'm excited to send that off to her. Still waiting for her to give me her address. So Amber, if you're watching, send me your address so I can ship out your mystery bag, because I know you're gonna love it. So I'm really excited. I have had a sneak peek. I'm really excited about one of the products, but the rest, I wish I knew that there'll be a lot more tanning products in there. Who's loving my headband, by the way? I have to get down so you can see. It's got bells on it. It's absolutely cute. As you can tell, we're going with a theme of Christmas headband. We need to try and cover whatever's going on, the damage here. So I just thought I'd have a Christmas headband on just to take away from the minging flakiness that's going on. Anyway, let's get into the mystery bag of Bperfect. Okay, so first up we have a velvet tanning mist, and I'm sure this is worth £10 on its own, and the whole mystery bag I've got for £25. So you've got your first velvet tanning mist. I'm thinking I might actually self tan this Christmas, because why not? Then next up we have a golden hour glow. It's a filter effect matte tan. It wash off 24-hour wear, skin perfecting coverage, water resistant, and it's got a tropical scented smell. Oh my god, you can smell it. I don't want to open it because I don't want it to go off. So that is what this looks like. I don't know if I am going to use it, whether I try it. I always say I'm going to do self tanning, but I'd rather get a spray tan than do it myself. So I'm thinking I might actually put this tanning products in the next giveaway, which will be in January. So if you like the sound of that, then stay tuned. And then the next product, we have a pocket rocket. Is that what they're called? Oh, let me smash my phone. I could do with one, but that's what that is, a pocket rocket. They are really cute. Then the next product is a headband. So it's got a makeup and tanning headband. It's really thick, so I love my headbands, especially. I've got quite an idea just to help cover this as well as protect my hair from any makeup. And then what else do we have? Oh, so the next up we have the Bperfect Manifest eyeshadow palette, and I've seen mixed reviews about this palette, and apparently I think you can only get it through the mystery bag, and I think a gift set if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, oh, it's all sealed up. So the mystery bag was worth £25, and you got 6 products included in the mystery bag. I have seen some people, I think they were missing a product or 2, but I think they've got them now. There has been mixed reviews, but let's double check. So I absolutely love the packaging. That's absolutely stunning. Oh wow. So you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, a 12 pan eyeshadow palette, which it says it on the back there, and they are huge. They are massive. So I'm loving in the mix. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. It's got a nice bit of a glow shimmer to it. It's very, if you can see there, it's got a bit of a two-tone gold and pink. That's stunning. Oh wow, that's glitter. Probably might need some glitter glue to go with that. It swatches all right there, but it doesn't do much there. Then we have Trance. Wow, that's Trance. Then we've got Buzzing, and that's Buzzing there. That will make a nice highlighter. That would. Should I add it on? Wow, that is gorgeous. That makes a really nice highlighter. Add a bit on here as well. I have got a bit of glow on. We'll add a bit more on. Yeah, that is stunning. Let's blend it out properly, yeah. So that is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So that is worth that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to put this tanning stuff in a giveaway in January. And we've got one more product, and it is a lip product. It's a double glazed lip gloss, and it's in the shade Starkers. I love the packaging, and I'll show you one more thing that I had to get my hands on. Oh yeah, this is so my colour. So we've got a gorgeous nude going there. That is absolutely stunning. Can you guys see me okay? I feel like I just wanted to get my Christmas tree headshot. That's what it was. But anyway, that is an absolutely stunning lip gloss, and it's definitely my colour, so thank you. I'm really happy with that. These are definitely worth the mystery bags and staying up from midnight to get my hands on. And yeah, like I said, I will be putting these in a giveaway. And then the pocket socket, I'm going to use that. And then the other product, which wasn't in the sale, wasn't in the mystery bag, but it was in the sale, I managed to get my hands on this mirror. Look at the size of that mirror. It's absolutely massive. And you guys know what, I've got a bit of an obsession with mirrors. Oh, okay. And yeah, so you guys know I've got an obsession for mirrors, so I just had to get this. I love it. So yeah, that is what was inside the Bperfect cosmetic mystery bag. And like I said, I think it's sold out now, but I will be putting, if you are a tanner and you love to tan, I will be putting them products in the giveaway. So keep yourselves posted for January, because this is going to definitely be in there. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That is all for today. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all, madam, and I will see you all tomorrow on another day of Vlogmas. Bye.